touch the turtle. What are you winning? How's that? You touch.
Ringo, may slide ka. You come here, over here. There's a turtle here.
French, that's a turtle in.
Look at it.
Daniel!
Turtle.
Sino pa gusto mo hawak? Oh,
Come here.
Try it.
Come here, Ringo.
Try mo sa water.
David! David! David!
Ating
Picture na ni Dab! David!
Hold dyan.
You hold the turtle. You hold the turtle, oh. You hold, oh. The shell. Here. Come on, you hold the shell. Sige na. Hindi man siya mag-get out, oh, naaraman. Look at them, they're holding the turtle. You get the turtle, the shell. Di man siya magawas na, look at to. See? He's inside, oh, come on, you hold.
Ito sa chicken naman. After now, we go to the goat station.
Ikaw, mag-picture ta. Uy, Gingo.
Get the turtle down.
Hadlock so.
Don't get the turtle, picture ako sa imo. Come on.
Experience naman.
Turtle, oh, native yan.
Come on, this one, you hold. You hold.
Eat lang.
You hold, you put it in the water.
Put sa water doon.
Put in the water.
Go dyan.
Good job.
David! Enough na, David! Hinaw ng tubig! Daniel! Let's go na!
Now, go to the goat station.
David, wash your hand, David! Wash! Wash! Hinaya! Uy! Uy! Tana! Yan!
Yeah, I'm gonna touch.